Meaning of common entrance.
Common entrance.
Common entrance.
Common entrance.
Common entrance. Common entrance is an examination taken by students in their final year of primary education in the United Kingdom. The exam covers various subjects, including mathematics, English, and science. The purpose of this exam is to assess students' knowledge and skills and determine their suitability for admission into independent secondary schools. Typically, independent secondary schools use common entrance results as a benchmark for admissions decisions. Overall, the common entrance exam plays a critical role in shaping the academic trajectory of students transitioning from primary to secondary education in the UK.